Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chelly, your at-home chef, and today I'm gonna make my kids a healthy snack with some of our favorite fruits, mango and avocado. So we're gonna make a mango avocado salsa in fruit infused water. Alright, let's jump right in. So today for our mango avocado salsa, we are going to be using some ground cumin, black pepper, pink salt, cilantro, garlic, my favorite, red onions, jalapeno, lime, apple cider vinegar, English cucumbers, red bell peppers, of course mangoes, avocados, and any chips that you would like. And for our fruit infused water, we have lime, some apples, some strawberries, blueberries, and cucumbers, and essential oils. So for my mango, I usually get mangoes that are not too soft, and I get them in between ripe and not so ripe, so I can still have that sweet flavor. So you chop your mangoes up, you chop your English cucumbers up, you add that to it, then you add your avocados. I do the same thing with the avocado. I try not to get one that's too soft and also not too hard, so in between, so it wouldn't be too mushy in there. Your chopped up red bell peppers, and you toss that, lightly toss it. That way you can get everything in, instead of putting everything in there and then trying to toss it. That looks beautiful already. Alright. Now we're gonna add our garlic. Our red onions. Not all of it. And remember guys, in the description I'll put my measurements. All of the cilantro. I love cilantro. I hope you guys are enjoying this music. Here goes my jalapeno. Now you make sure and put the amount that you can handle. I didn't put a lot. But if you could handle more than I put, then go right ahead. And you don't even have to put jalapenos in there. So you could make this recipe and adjust it to the way, you know, your taste bud is, or, you know, you would like. All right, well, look at that. So now we're gonna add our apple cider vinegar, our lime, and you guys, you can use lemon if you'd like, but I like using lime, and our black pepper, of course. You have to put enough to taste, so I'll put in the description approximately how much I put in there. And I used 3 mangoes. I'm not sure if I told you guys that, but it will all be in the description again. Some more black pepper. Brings the flavor out. Looks like I'm struggling a little bit. And my ground cumin, and my pink salt. You guys, I was having a little trouble with this one, but I got it. Get a little spoon and taste it and see if you need more salt. So you adjust it to the way you like it. You don't necessarily have to use all my measurements. And you could actually add tomatoes or anything else you like. Alright, that looks ready. That's beautiful. I love pretty food. Okay, so we're gonna cover that up and put it in the refrigerator till they're ready to eat their snack. Plus it tastes a little, to me it tastes a little better when it's a little chill. Not too much. Maybe 10-15 minutes. Seal it up. Alright, now for our feed infused water. So we're gonna start with our freshly cut strawberries. And my kids love strawberries, so I'm gonna put a lot of those in there. And guys, usually I have a bigger jug for this, but my big jug mysteriously broke and no one in the house knows how it happened. Add in my cucumbers. So these are leftover cucumbers from, see my Trini accent is coming out. I was about to say cucumbers. But these are leftover cucumbers from the mango salsa. So nothing goes to waste in my house, honey. Even the ends that I cut off, I turned that into compost, okay? I'm adding my apples. Get that in there. And I'm gonna add my blueberries. Which is very high in antioxidants. My lime. I have to push them in a little bit. Add some more blueberries in there. And my blueberries were previously frozen. So they were fresh blueberries, and because I didn't want it to go bad, I washed them, bagged them, and had them in the freezer, which actually worked really well with fruit infused water. So I'm gonna add my essential oils. I love peppermint in water, it's so refreshing. So I put 2 drops because this oil is so potent. And Onguard, of course, because Onguard is a blend of oil that's really good for your immune system. So you see, it's already beginning to infuse the water. The color of the water is changing, and that looks beautiful. All right, we're ready to eat now. If you guys could only smell this, it's so delicious. It smells so good. Alright, and we're gonna add our chips. I cannot wait to try it. And the leftover fruits, I packed them into the glass. Then I put the water on top of that. We're not gonna waste anything, honey. Not around here. And that water, the fruits and the oils, the essential oils are infused in the water, and it's delicious, guys. Look at that. All right, now we're ready to enjoy. Come and get it, kids. Thing one and thing two. Guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed making this recipe with me, and thank you again for tuning into my channel. And also, if you're looking for a great Mother's Day gift, you should purchase my book, Thoughts and Promises for Single Mothers. It's inspirational, it's uplifting and funny, and it's an easy read. So if you want signed copies, you just email me at singleparenthtoughts@gmail. It's also available on Kindle, Amazon, and most online bookstores. Thank you guys. Bye.